Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, I'm back again with another great amazing tech video. Well, the video of today is all about the Bontend tripod, but this means it's a flexible tripod, which I have it here, and this is what we have. So on this kind of tripod, you know me guys, I love using tripod whenever I'm doing vlogging, whenever I'm shooting there, doing some tutorials, or whenever I'm just want to shoot a video. I'm going to use a tripod because it saves me a lot of time than using a normal hand and shooting it. It's like you get a business video. You won't love the video to be so buggy, but on this one you get some smooth video depending on you how you keep up with the tripod. So I decided to grab this and share with you guys my experience on this. So first of all, on this kind of flexible tripod, you get the GoPro action tripod camera mount. You get a phone holder mount if you want to shoot with your phone. You get a good phone holder. You get a flexible tripod as you can see on the picture here, and another kind of stuff. The height is 12" of the tripod, and you get a max load of 5 lbs on the tripod. That means you need that kind of weight whereby your camera must hold like 5 lbs, and you get the bubble level, the leveling of your tripod if you want to get that kind of incline level or width or whatever the type of level whereby your tripod is gonna stay. So another kind of stuff, it supports iPhone, DSLR and action camera, which is much better. So what's inside? Well, let me just do this way. There we have our baby, and let me keep the box aside. Now on this kind of tripod, we got some paperworks. I know some of you guys love reading paperworks and some of you hate it. Well, this is a paperwork to show you how you can use it and to show you what's up with it. And another kind of stuff, this is another paperwork from Bontend, which shares with you other products which they have, so it's useful to see what they got more. So here we have our Bontend tripod, which I'm so excited by the way, and this is how it looks like. So this you can compare, let me share with you guys one time, you can compare with this one. You can see they're quite different. Like this bad boy looks more good, not only because of the coloring, but it looks more nice than this is light. You can compare with this other bad boy which I've been using, because this bad boy is much good. How can I keep it? It's just that this is more great compared with this one, but overall each one of them, they play a big role. And another kind of stuff, I got another bad boy which is U-Rig. You can compare U-Rig and this one. So each one of the tripod which you're gonna buy, they play a big role doing a certain cinematic video or a certain photo or a certain time lapse. But when it comes to those kind of minor stuff which a tripod is supposed to do, they all do the same. You see on this kind of tripod, there's an adjustment somewhere here. The more I squeeze it or I release it, the more I get flexibility of removing this guy here, as you can see. And you can see there's a water drop going on here. This is like giving you some inclination of how you keep your tripod. So it's very nice on this one. So you return it back, you roll it back again. It's like a lock. You lock it. You can see I can't remove it anymore. So this is like a lock, playing around like a lock. Another kind of stuff, there's this adjustment here. This helps you to adjust how much you can flex on this one. So I think it's more useful, and rotation and stuff like that, which is something which is so great. And another kind of stuff, it's the legging. I love this type of legging. They're flexible, they're gorilla, they're octopus, you can name it any name. It's not very naive. So this is the mount of the phone. As you can see guys, you can adjust this kind of stuff. The more you adjust it, it gives you that kind of pace whereby you can just keep your phone in a good stable way no matter what inch your phone looks like. And I think it supports up to 6.6 inch, and it's much better on that, I guess so. So as you can see up to here, it's quite longer. And adjusting it and keeping it up to here. You can see how much it takes on that kind of phone. So this is much better compared with other mount of the phone on a tripod. So yeah, this is the Bontend tripod. Let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking about the tripod. If you're into video, is this something useful for you? Is it that much great? And the pricing about this, it's a little bit not that much cheaper. It's a little bit, I can call it advanced budget. Like it costs around $30. So I think $30 for this is ain't bad. And yeah, that's what's up for this kind of great and amazing tripod. So I give it a go. So let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking. So thank you guys for watching. If you love this video today, make sure that you hit a thumbs up. If you're new here, my name is Abdurrahim113, 112, 113, you name it. And I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative, and peace.